Hello, this is John Bagwell, and welcome to today's training lesson, how to create a video thumbnail and install the video thumbnail in your video. So I always start out with Snappa. Now Snappa is $15 a month. I use it because it's well organized. You create graphics for Facebook posts or Instagram posts or Instagram story or LinkedIn or Pinterest pins or Twitter posts or YouTube thumbnail or blog, infographic, ebook cover, Facebook cover photo, and on and on and on. It's well organized. And that's why I leaped from Canva to Snappa. And let's click on YouTube thumbnail. You can create it from scratch or use one of their templates. And let's just use one of their templates. Let me click on it. And we're going to remove the background first. We're going to click here, background. Click the button called remove, gone. Then go to graphics, photos, or uploads. Click on it. There you go. Then you just click on the words. And then change the font size so you can see it. And it's, obviously I made an error right here. Click delete. Make the red a little bigger. Okay, now click on the words. And let's reduce this so we can see it. Okay, let's just delete that out of the picture. Let's make this a little bigger. Okay. And then you just go to download in the upper right hand corner, high resolution, and you download it to your computer. And you get out of this. We're going to import these two the thumbnail and the video into Filmora. That was very easy to do, to create a thumbnail, and people actually charging for this, and it's really not necessary. And let's okay, and then import the video. And what you do is you click on the plus sign for the thumbnail first. Then you click on the video second. And you go back and you click on the thumbnail, and you want to make it about 1/4 inch. I found that's enough time for the thumbnail to be seen. And there you go with the previous finished product. And that's all you need. It's really that simple. And let's click on reduce the volume here and click on the video, and you can see it go through the thumbnail. Now it's on the video, and that's basically it. You're basically finished. I mean, you could create the thumbnails and the end screens if you want, and overlays, but I taught you that in another training lesson, and it's that simple using Snappa to create video thumbnails and then to integrate it using Filmora 9 with your video. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for your time.